as a doctor, you should not, you discourage rather pulling off the plug, right?
Yes,
Removing the support systems. But sometimes in this world, in today's hospitals, if you keep the body living and if the patient is brain dead, and if you keep, because keeping the body living means keeping him on the ICU, keeping him on ventilator, keeping him on medications. The bills itself go to lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of rupees. And it's not very affordable and
So,
it's impossible
for
the families.
affordability reason, they can pull out, but even then they will have the karma. You see, for what I am saying, end of the day, they have nothing. They can't spend. Then nothing can be done. That's the way it is. But whatever way they can, they should support with their integrity and authenticity to keep the body alive. That's all. See, practical problems are there. Many times, our practical problems does not satisfy the cosmic law. Elders or parents, keep their photograph in your house or in the puja room. Every day, at least take 2-3 minutes and complete with them. Complete with them for some time, so that your bio-memory will be healed. Especially with your mother, if you have something, you should have her photograph and complete with her continuously. I very sincerely and strongly recommend completion with the ancestors. How many of you have the habit of every Amavasya doing Darpana? Please continue. I'll strongly recommend it. And I'll sincerely recommend it. Now you should do, especially with this context of completion. See, when you don't have the context and do also, it's a mere ritual. Especially with this context of completion, I sincerely recommend and request you do this Shraddha, every year Shraddha, all these things very respectfully for completion. If you don't get priest, if you can't do any of that, at least keep the photograph and offer a few sesame seed and the ball of rice. That's all. That surely you can do it in your house. Sesame seed and rice ball. Offer that to his photograph or her photograph, you yourself. Doing completion. After doing completion, offer it. At least do that much. After one day you can put that rice and sesame seed in the garden or to the birds, animals. You wanted to brush the teeth exactly on that time. You want to smoke. You want to drink. All these things. These are all muscle memory. And the strong patterns like if you put your hand in the current, you will be thrown out. You will pull your hand automatically. If you see a snake, automatically you will run away. All my Vedanta completion, nothing will help at that time. You will run away. So those things are biomemory. I sincerely recommend for the life of completion and fulfillment, have parents with you. Have parents with you. That will do so much of completion to yourself. Completion to your biomemory. It's my sincere recommendation. Bioenergy comes from your past life memories. Means the jiva brings certain baggage. Biomemory comes from father and mother. Muscle memory comes from the people with whom you grew up. You will see, if you are staying back for Guru Purnima, when all the ashramites take sannyas, they will offer Shraddha to my feet, in my feet. Traditionally, these four are the place. Shraddha means literally they will offer the rice, salt, sesame, the rice ball, sesame seed, everything at my feet as a Shraddha to all the deceased. I strongly recommend, and still I myself do, to my father and all my ancestors, every year I do Shraddha and Maheshwara Puja. If you are, how many of you know that we celebrate that Mahaparinirvan day? Every year I do for my father and all the ancestors. So I sincerely recommend, because they are the source of your biomemory. So it will continuously heal, complete with your biomemory,